Okay, so we got our second bump box in the mail. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yes, now we are 17 weeks. So hopefully we have some awesome goodies inside of this one. Okay, it says keep on bumping mama. Looks like we have Mama Needs a Pint. Oh, it's to keep your pint of ice cream cold. Cute. What's this? Bag of Crunchies Superfood Granola Dark Chocolate Coconut. Bambino Organics Balancing Facial Mist. Rose water and cucumber. But that smells good. Glow 9 Organics Relax Plus Natural Bath Soak. Infused with organic lavender, bergamot, and frankincense essential oils. That sounds nice. Promise Pregnancy Skincare Defense and Repair Bump Oil with argan, jojoba, tamanu, and probiotics. Stretch spark treatment. And last but not least, we have Love at First Sight Sonogram Frame by Pearhead. That's so cute. That's everything. Once again, as always, thanks for watching my video. I can't wait to see what's in next month's box. It's so fun. Thanks, y'all.